Hello everyone, welcome to QBite. From the thumbnail and the title, you probably already know what's happening. This is the beginning of a complete course on quantum computing and programming. Prepare yourself because things are about to get started. Now, you may have questions like, why quantum computers? Why is everyone so hyped? Is it actually worth learning? I'm not from physics, am I allowed to be here? And hey, I don't even have a quantum computer at home. How will I do coding then? If you have all these questions, then relax. I have got all your answers. Imagine two kinds of people. Type 1 is your chill gamer friend. He is happy playing GTA or FIFA on a classical computer with a GPU hotter than the sun. His life is simple. Now let's think about another type. Your nerdy friend who stares at graphs and casually worries about Moore's law for fun. This person also says stuff like, bro, transistor size is reaching atomic scale. You know the type. So, what is Moore's law? Moore said that transistors double every 2 years, but now we have shrunk them so much that they are literally a few atoms wide. And when things get that small, the universe says, surprise, quantum physics time. Electrons start jumping around like they are in a nightclub, and your poor transistor cannot decide if it is a 0 or a 1. Basically, classical computers are reaching their limits. So, instead of shrinking things further, we can change the game completely. Quantum computers uses qubits, which can handle a massive amount of information at once. It's like upgrading from a bicycle to a teleportation machine. That's why quantum computers matter. But I'm not from a physics background, am I doomed? Absolutely not. If you're watching this video, that means you opened YouTube, typed something like quantum something something, clicked this video and didn't run away. That's enough proof that you have the interest, and that's the biggest requirement. Do you need quantum mechanics? Yes, because quantum computers are based on it. But do you need to study 500 pages of painful equations before touching Qiskit? No, you only need the basic ideas, and I will explain everything slowly enough that even your cat could understand it. The main math you will use is linear algebra, and trust me, it's friendlier than physics. But I don't have quantum computers at home. What's now? First of all, if anyone had a quantum computer at home, please give us your address. But for the rest of us normal humans, you don't need a real quantum computer. We'll use simulators. Basically a fancy way of making your classical computer pretending to be a quantum computer. It's like a cosplay, but for computers. So don't worry, you can code everything right from your laptop or your computer. Alright, I think your major questions are answered. If you still have doubts, ask in the comments. Unless your question is, can I use quantum computer to hack Elon Musk bank accounts? The answer is no, not yet. Now let's talk about the course itself. Who can follow this course? Anyone. High school students, college students, university students, even Schrodinger's cat can follow it if it is alive. What to expect from this course? We will learn the foundations of quantum computing, no heavy physics formulas flying at you, just clean explanation and coding. What do you need before starting? You will need the basics of math like linear algebra, complex number, probability, and some basic programming concepts. We will use Python programming language throughout this course. Don't worry if you're not an expert, you only need a general understanding. I will explain everything you actually need as you go step by step. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, and until then, happy quantum computing.